Hello everyone and welcome back to a new trading video which is counting for the contest, the first video this week. Yeah, it's summer, hot outside, and I don't want to waste all the time in front of my computer, but it's my work and now we do some content for YouTube. Yes. Okay, here we go. We had today, this is the economic calendar from finanzen.net. Here we see we had, yesterday was Fed, yes. Um, Today we have here the Zinsentscheid of United Kingdom. And later at 14:30 we have a mass of news with two, and on other economic calendar by investing there were also three stars, like, or three bulls. Yes, this means a high relevant to the market, middle relevant, and a low. Yes, so one star here, you can ignore it, but this you must open your eyes, yeah, and activate your brain. And so I start, yes, when it's this, no good, yes, between 12 and 14 o'clock, it's most time no good. It's the German and the British are eating some meals, and so no trading. Yeah, no trading. And so you do not trade there. 14 o'clock start, yes, maybe possible for 10 minutes, but we see the mass of news, so we start 15 o'clock, yes. Here's a Russian, who cares? And here the boy, it's one star, yes. The not about Russian. They also hear the United States of America news with only one star, yeah, and late in the evening New Zealand. So we can now trade till the end. German time we stop around 18, 19 o'clock. Yes, it's 7 p.m. Yes, in German. That's enough. Yeah, then the market is sleeping and no good. Yes, focus on the good times, cause then you have not so much trades that will not work. Okay, so here we go. We start with 120 euro. We have here our trading system next level version 2.2. We have M1 time frame M1, yes, time frame M2, also M for minutes. With these assets, we have enough, so we can look if it's good or not. Yeah, we don't have to trade like don't like this. Yes? New Zealand dollar, also some Canadian dollars and Swiss franc. It's sometimes if there are other signals, I more prefer them. Yes, if there's more euro dollar or dollar yen or euro yen or euro cut is very fine. I like a euro cut. Yeah? It's a cut, but it's working good. Yeah? And so now after 4 minutes we start trading. We don't want to make the videos so long. You must look all time the videos from 000 start video to the end. Then you are in the contest. And we put here charts which activate, and the alert is activate. We have the 3 or 4 and the 4, the 1, 2, 3, 4 alerts. This is the best. This is with colored. As here you see, there we got the alert with 3 or 4. And later you got 4 or 4, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it turns, yes, you have one martingale step less if you only trade this one. So we focus on this one, yes? And if you trade outside, or if you trade, you don't make videos. If I trade outside of the videos, yeah, I sometimes only use this, yeah? And you should also use this. This is more safe, yeah? And the best way is don't lose money, yes. And the big advantage is, yeah, you always in the last half year, the cryptocurrency is going down, the stock market's going down, the DAX, the Dow Jones, they're all going down. Yes, but for trading, it's Scheißdinge. It should equal. Yes, scheißegal. Should equal. Okay. You can trade up. You can trade down. You have all chances in both sides. Yes. So it doesn't matter if Bitcoin is $20,000 or we trade Euro USD. Yeah, we trade currencies. Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's 1.04 or 1.14. Yes. It must only have some movements up and down in our short time frames. So it doesn't matter. If you have, oh, we must make fast USD cut. We trade the next one. That's too close. If you trade, you have all time frames, but we focus on the small time frames. Yeah, and if you have always the movements up, down, and you can make money by trading call and put. That's fine. So now we prepare. Maybe in some, it's M1. Yeah, maybe we can trade if some trade is not working direct. We can trade it here. I'm sorting alphabetic. So we have out USD. Yes. We have this USD cut. So doesn't matter. We take this one. If it's hot. If it's not hot, we don't trade this. Yes. No. Oh, here's the automatic was plus 2 minutes. Yeah, but we did this trade. Yes. Okay. I'm back in some minutes when we have a new hot signal, maybe with 4 dots. Not a long time was gone. We have a signal in the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. I did the setup here and we are in the trade. Yes, I was a little bit too early, but we had some good entry. Yes, the start was here and we are lower in this trade for above. Yes, and yeah, put this a little. This one, yes, I know here below is the watermark with the information about the website, the contest, the links. You should go in the Telegram group. We are international Telegram group. Come in, join, and you can enter the free signals group. Then you get this one as in signals by Telegram. You can also, when you buy the system, have the signals for free. And then you can also trade mobile if you are not always sitting in front of the computer. Yes, it's so hot here. It's maybe some fresh idea to sit in the dark keller of your house, but sometimes you must go out, eat some ice, see some people, and meet some friends, and go fishing, or something like this. Okay, but now not so much blah blah blah. We want to make the trades. Euro, Japanese yen. We trade at 21 to 22. 0-0. Huh? I stopped the automatic. That it's not automatic pushing forwards for 2 minutes. Tack, we are in. 1 minute from 21 to 22. Yes, working. If not working, we make alert stop. Of course, I don't want to get on my nerves with bling bling. We make the step to 120 with this MetaTrader. This is the MetaTrader I only use for YouTube. Of course, so I don't have to switch the profiles. Yeah, if I'm Sometimes I have a profile with M1, M2, M5, or M2, M5 only, or some lower asset list, yeah, smaller asset list. And so I have 6 meter traders, no problem. Yeah, they all registered to Donald Duck and Mickey Mouse and all the guys. But here we win, so we don't need this step. Yes, very good. Okay, so we have 2 trades now in the money, direct wins, and make the alert again on. And yeah, I'm on pause. Next trade is ours. So here I was too late in this situation. We have the 4 dot signal. Yes, you see it's colored in the Australian dollar, US dollar. Maybe we can come later. If this is not working, if it's not running to the pivot, then we can go in this trade. Yes, you see here's the 4 dot signal. First time we are in M2, yeah, not M1, and we take a look. For this last, this was so fast again. It's in the short time frame. Sometimes it's coming very close to the end of the candle. Yeah, not always, but sometimes, and then it's going. Yes, it's like if you come 1 second too late to the train and he is driving, and then it's over. But I don't go yet in this signal. We wait for the next candle and do this trade from we are inside. He made a little jump lower. Yeah, yes, we don't know. Also here see we a little point where he was going up, going down. Yes, and here, maybe here. We will see. I'm on pause, come back later. So last 20 seconds have started. It's 15 seconds, but it looks very good. We have the first minute was a, yes, also here it's M1. We have the first minute was a green candle. Now we also have a green candle, and it's 5 seconds. No problem. This will be winner. Winner, chicken dinner. I was closer than I was thinking, and now we have. Psst, psst. I just want to say some words. If you want to have part of the contest to win $100 for free, you know the rules. Click on the video in the description. There you see the conditions in English and in German, what you have to do. It starts from last Tuesday, yes, 2 days before, and it's finished on July 3rd. You can be part of it from any country, from R like America to Z like Cypern. It's international, it's Cyprus. But also, you can be part, make the conditions, write a comment, do the like, follow this channel, and you will be happy. And watch all the videos from zero to the end. I will check this. Okay, I'm off. See you in the next video. Bye bye.